Hey guys, my name is Devishi and I want to welcome you all to our channel Shakespeare's Fantasies. So now if you are an old viewer and subscriber, then I am grateful for you being back here. And if you are here for the first time and you enjoy the video that you are watching, then please subscribe this channel. So we will directly dive to the main topic of this video now, which is our extract number 18. So our extract number 18 are lines from Ferdinand where he is saying, so they are. So before I explain you the meaning of these lines, I want to tell you that before this particular extract, there was a paragraph of Prospero where he was telling Ferdinand that he is unable to move and he is behaving as if his muscles are the muscles of a baby. So in response to that, Ferdinand is saying these lines and he is saying, so they are, that is, I am feeling like that. My spirits as in a dream are all bound up, that is, my strength is all tied up as if I am in a bad dream. My father's loss, the weakness which I feel, that is, the loss of my father, the physical weakness that I feel. The wreck of all my friends, nor this man threats. The destructions of all my friends, the threats of this man, to whom I am subdued, are but light to me. And the threats of this man who has captured me would be like nothing to me. Might I but through my prison once a day behold this maid, that is, if I could just look through my prison's window once a day and see this girl. All corners else o' the earth, let liberty make use of, that I would not need to have the freedom to go anywhere else in the world. Space enough have I in such a prison, because in a prison like that, I would have all the space that I need. Now our question number 1 is, where is Ferdinand? To whom is he speaking? What is he busy doing? Answer: Ferdinand is on the same island where Prospero and Miranda were living for the past 12 years, since the time they were forcefully ousted from Milan. Ferdinand is speaking to Prospero and Miranda. He is busy grieving for the demise of his father and the loss of his friends. Our question number 2 is, what inconveniences and sufferings is Ferdinand prepared to undergo in order to have a glimpse of Miranda? Our answer is, Ferdinand is prepared to undergo the grief of losing his father, the grief of the destruction of his friends, and is ready to endure his physical weaknesses, all the punishments and threats of Prospero, and is ready to live in a prison in order to have a glimpse of Miranda. Question 3. Why does Prospero treat Ferdinand harshly? By giving such a treatment to him, what does Prospero intend to show? Answer: Prospero treats Ferdinand harshly because Prospero wants to test the love bond of Ferdinand and Miranda. By giving such a treatment to him, Prospero intends to show Ferdinand and make him realize that the love he feels towards Miranda is strong and powerful, and that Ferdinand can endure all types of inconveniences and sufferings in order to have a glimpse of Miranda. Question 4 is, what is dramatic irony? State how is dramatic irony shown in the extract above. Answer: the phenomenon known as dramatic irony happens when the audience knows the reality but the character on the stage does not know it. Hence, there is humor in such situations. In the extract given above, we come to know that Ferdinand thinks his father, that is the King of Naples Alonso, had died in the shipwreck, when in fact this is not true. Alonso is not just alive but is also present on the same island as Ferdinand. The audience knows the truth that Alonso and the other people are alive. However, Ferdinand didn't know about this. This is the dramatic irony found in the extract. Question 5. How is romantic plot of Ferdinand and Miranda connected to the main plot in The Tempest? Answer: Miranda is the daughter of Prospero while Ferdinand is the son of Prospero's enemy Alonso. The falling in love of these two, that is Ferdinand and Miranda, is intended to emphasize the reconciliation, which is the theme of the play. The union of Ferdinand and Miranda sets the seal upon forgiveness and binds Prospero and Alonso with a close tie. Thus, the love affair of Ferdinand and Miranda, apart from providing a romantic interest in the play, appears to be an inseparable part of the larger design of bringing about the final reconciliation. Question 6 is, give the meaning of the following words as they are used in the context of the passage. First word is wreck. Wreck means destruction. And second word is subdued. Subdued means to overcome. So guys, with this we have finally completed our Act 1 Scene 2. I hope you all are very happy. So I am very happy that finally we have completed this particular act. If you enjoyed this video, then please like this video, subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. I will see you in my next video. Until then, bye.